What is up, everybody? Mr. and Miss Digging Life hanging out today. We figured we would just take you guys along. So you may wonder, what do we do in our time off? We work.
Yep.
My sweetheart's over here wheeling and dealing on some phone calls from customers, getting us lined up to do some quotes on tomorrow, which is our day off as well, or a quote. Today, we're riding down toward Hendersonville, North Carolina, to where we did the forestry mulching job. Pick up the excavator, bring it back to the house, put our tilt bucket on for the first job that we're going to be using it on, which I'm quite excited about. We'll be fixing one turnaround area and cleaning off the grass to expand for a parking area next week. We've been really busy. We thought we were going to be caught up for the first time.
Yeah, you got within like a week of being caught up, and then all of a sudden it just blew up again.
Yep. Faith. The work will always come back in. How long has it been since we were like truly caught up? Like absolutely nothing to do.
I don't recall there ever being a time, to be honest.
It's been a long time. I know it's been 2 or 3 years.
Yeah, I don't know that since we've been together, you've not had something lined up in the works. Now, it's definitely changed as far as like how far out you're booked, or getting the deposits, making sure that it's work that's, you know, guaranteed.
Yeah, we're not near as far out.
Yeah.
But the phone is still ringing, and we're going to keep on at it.
I'd say we consistently stay 2 to 6 weeks booked out at any given time. Kind of fluctuates in there, yeah.
Yeah, past 6 weeks, people don't want to wait.
Right. I had to go in this morning where we're getting booked out again and go plug in days or block off days for quote days. Because a lot of times we'll just book it. People are wanting to get in, so we'll book it one right after the other, and we don't leave that day open to do any quotes.
Yep.
So I went in this morning while you were out and blocked off like 3 or 4 days over the next month or so, kind of in between jobs that you've got. So whether it be quotes or weather delays or whatever, we've got some buffer in there.
First stop today, food.
Yes. Did you eat anything this morning?
Muffins.
Muffins. I had a yogurt.
Alrighty, we are currently in Fletcher, North Carolina, and we are going to pull in here to Blue Sky Cafe, one of my favorite burger joints.
And they look busy today.
Quite so. Looks like I got some seats outside, maybe. Turn around here. Ready? Show everybody real quick how it looks like a little old diner in here. And that is my kind of a meal. You got the Baja burger?
It's got pineapple and spinach and tomato, pepper jack cheese.
And I got the Texas burger. I believe it's provolone or Swiss, and it usually comes with onions. So if y'all ever in Fletcher, North Carolina, you better come to Blue Sky. You won't regret it. The hummus plate's good too. Delicious.
Best when the cheese strings, right?
You know it's hot. Thanks, y'all. Have a good day. It's a bath.
I shouldn't have brought this drink with me. I got water in there.
Yeah, hold that. Here you go, my queen.
Thank you. Cup holders.
More cup holders.
Yeah.
You hear that, Ford? We need more cup holders.
Put that on your F750 review.
Huh?
Put that on your F750 review. You should have 4 cup holders.
At least.
I mean, there's not even like a spot in the door that a cup could fit.
Nope. Can't have nothing nice. Need to get some of them cup holders that used to like hooked in the window channel like we did, you know, back in the 80s.
Yeah.
Before
I
you were
guess
born.
I wasn't around then. I only
Young
saw
trophy
about
wife.
34 days of the 80s.
You missed out. Fine. Alrighty, let's get this excavator down to the truck and load it up. Let's head to the house. Okay, got our excavator loaded. I'm not going to run their mailbox over.
That's good.
And now we get to go to Best Buy.
So get a printer.
And why are we going? Because we got our excavator loaded up. We've got our dump truck that's decaled up. And there's a blue million people go through that shopping center. So while we're shopping, spending just a little bit of money, hopefully somebody will notice us.
Yep.
We are campaigning. We looked at doing that driveway one time.
It's a steep one.
Yep, they wanted me to put one in right there.
Huh.
I didn't even realize I was across the road from them. To Best Buy we go. Every day's a pretty day that I get to spend with you.
These are my favorite days.
Me and you days.
Yep.
Mm-hmm.
They're always my like recharge and reset after a week. If I can get a day that's just you and me, even if we're out doing stuff like this, just you and me hanging out.
I am pretty fun.
Yeah, you are. And you usually feed me some good food too, so that helps.
Ain't nothing like a good Texas burger. Or what was yours?
Baja.
Baja.
Oh my god, that dog is so small.
Huh?
The dog looks so small outside of this truck. A little chihuahua. It looks like a little ant out there.
Some little frou-frou dog came down that driveway when I was walking up.
Oh Lord.
My last job of today. Take that head off. Put my tilt bucket on.